In The Hague, the Netherlands, former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte faced the International Criminal Court for the first time. He joined via video link from the ICC detention center in The Hague, where he's being held on charges of crimes against humanity. Outside, protesters and supporters clashed as the hearing unfolded. What happened and what happens next? DD India's Mark Limburg reports.
Former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte faced the International Criminal Court in The Hague for his first hearing. He is accused of crimes against humanity linked to thousands of killings during his administration's war on drugs. Human rights groups claim police and vigilantes carried out systematic executions of suspected drug offenders under his leadership. Duterte was not present in the courtroom but participated via video link from the ICC detention center as authorized by the chamber. Outside the heavily secured detention center, protesters and supporters gathered. Families of victims and human rights activists held banners demanding justice, while Duterte's supporters argued his policies were necessary to combat crime. Dutch authorities maintained tight security as tensions ran high. Inside the courtroom, prosecutors presented evidence of state-sanctioned violence and human rights abuses. Duterte's defense team insisted the court lacks jurisdiction and argued he acted within Philippine law. This hearing marks the beginning of a long legal process. In the coming weeks, ICC judges will review the evidence and decide on the next steps. If convicted, Duterte could face life imprisonment. The case is one of the most high-profile trials in ICC history, setting a precedent for holding world leaders accountable for human rights violations. Mark Limburg reporting for DD India in The Hague, the Netherlands.